professional manufacturer for camlock couplings, fittings, and accessories. We have more than 10 years experience in this field. Today, it is my honor to introduce our camlock coupling to you. For material, we can supply stainless steel, aluminum, PP, nylon, brass, and cast iron material. For size, we can supply from a half inch to 8 inch. For type, we can supply A, B, C, D, E, F, DC, and DP. We can also supply many kinds of camlock coupling, such as reducer coupling, multi-threaded coupling, PIN 2A coupling, and screw tail coupling. We can also supply OEM service. If you have any coupling cannot find a supplier, you can feel free to contact me. You can send sample and drawing to us. We can develop to you. Now, let me show you our product quality to you. This is our aluminum camlock coupling. You can look at the face, the thread. Everything is very good. This is our brass camlock coupling, nylon camlock coupling, PP camlock coupling. You can look at the everything is good. The thread, the face, everything is perfect. Also, our stainless steel camlock coupling. You can look at the inside, outside, and the thread. Everything is perfect. Some Chinese supplier supplied SS316 camlock coupling to clients. They not use really SS316 material. They usually use SS304, even SS21201 material to cans. We welcome you test every our product if you purchase SS camlock coupling from us. We also can supply meal certificate for every shipment. If you are interested in our product, please feel free to contact me. Thank you. Bye bye.